In this video we're going to explain how you can connect your phone and display whatever is shown on your phone on the screen on your Mercedes. Now a lot of these, for example, in this case we have an S-Class, but for example a GL or a R-Class or an ML, they have what it's called a AV input. Sometimes it could be by the rear entertainment, and sometimes it's right there. You can see the AV cables right there. Yellow is the video, white and red are the audio, left and right audio inputs. So that's where it is. The inputs are on this S-Class. So we have plugged that on the other end. It's just the same type of cables. You can see there. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a couple of devices. First we're going to use this HDMI to AV input. So right here has the HDMI port, and on this end we have the AV cables. You can see yellow, white and red, and we're going to connect those. White, yellow and red, we're going to connect those. And then on the other side here is the HDMI port. There's a couple ways that you can connect your phone. Now it depends on what kind of phone you have, but a lot of phones will allow you to have an adapter from the port here. Could be a Type-C USB port or whatever to HDMI adapter, and then you can plug in the HDMI adapter right there. But that means you'll have wires connected between your phone and here. Another thing that you could use is you can actually use a Chromecast or Anycast. If you're using Chromecast, it will need a Wi-Fi network. So what you'll need to do is you can set up the Chromecast to connect it to your phone on your home network, and then after that you can come, because you will not be connected to, if you're traveling, you're not going to be connected to your home Wi-Fi. So what you'll do is you can come on your phone, set up a hotspot with the same Wi-Fi name, network name, and the same password that you have at home. So then when you turn on the Chromecast is going to work and connect to your phone, and then you can use the data on your phone, you can stream video, and then it'll be wireless. You can stream to the Chromecast, and then from the Chromecast it will show on that screen there. So right here we have this device. Now we do need to put these away, but just for demonstration we have all the cables out here. So, and on the back here, this is the power cable and the antenna. This just hangs loose like that. This is the USB. We're gonna plug these in a USB port here in the cigarette outlet, and then once you set this up you can hide these away. But so we have that, and then once you do that, in this Anycast you'll need to press this switch on the side here to go into the Android mode or screen share. And then now here on your navigation, that's where we are right now, we go to video, but we don't want to play the DVD. We're going to go to aux input, and it says waiting for connection, right? So there it is. We're going to come to our phone, and then what you need to do in this case, we have an Android. If you come down here, let's turn the brightness up, but you scroll further down, right down there you're going to see screen sharing. If you don't have that, you can go to settings and you can look at the various options right there. But in this case it's connecting with our phone. As you can see, we have no cables plugged in into the phone. It'll take about 30 seconds or so for it to connect. And there it is. There is our phone. Whatever we see on the screen here is shown right there, right? But whatever you do in your phone, you're gonna see the exact same thing on the screen right there. So you can see that, and then just turn your phone or make it full screen for just a better quality, right? And then the audio is coming through the speakers. See, and then you just use your phone to control it. But whatever, you can be watching Netflix or anything that you like through this.